How to turn on or turn off picture gallery show place names on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on menu. So after click on menu, click on settings. Now in gallery settings, scroll down. Scroll down and you will see show place name is here. So if you want to turn on show place names, so turn on this button. So you will see show place name is turn on. So if you want to turn off show place name, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see show place names is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off show place name from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off picture gallery show place name on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.